The title of this poem is called Uncertainty. When the news rumored true that this shelter, which has given this resident a private room, was going to face the wrecking ball, well, on balance, my poetry was going places while I waited. The August 1st clock ticks faster than it's supposed to, leaving me zigzag through each day like an AWOL pinball. You and you think earlier of titles and descriptions for funding this poetic gift, and I felt stiff with uncertainty. Yet I made my case. But at what address will future gifts come forward? Will the wrecking ball clean my slate, forcing me to sit again on a virgin desk? My poetry mimics my uncertainty, as I cannot explain this gift or the next picket fence.